3 weeks before the biggest tournament of his junior career, Tommy felt his wrist snap during a driving session. The sharp pain shot through his arm as months of preparation seemed to crumble in an instant. Every morning started the same way, ice baths at 5 a.m., followed by 2 hours of physical therapy. His swing coach taught him modified techniques, focusing on rotation instead of power. The rehabilitation was brutal, but Tommy never missed a session. 2 weeks in, the doctor delivered devastating news: skip the tournament entirely. But Tommy kept working, one day at a time, trusting the process. The night before the tournament, he stepped onto the range for his first full swing. Fear gripped him as he took the club back, uncertainty flooding his mind. The ball sailed perfectly down the fairway, straighter than ever before. The injury had forced him to abandon his power-heavy swing for proper mechanics. Sometimes setbacks become breakthroughs, built on the fairway, one swing at a time.